Go ahead.
Recording?
Yep.
So this is my prototype gutter cleaner here. So what I did is I bought what's called the long arm. It's a paint extension, roller extension. It's 25 footer. And then what I do is I took two different sizes of paint rollers, and I just screw this thing right on the top on here. So very simple, very easy to assemble. And remember, that was one of the important things, is whatever tool you get, you want it to be easy for people to use. So it should be very, very easy to assemble, and this tool is very easy to assemble. So I'm going to show you how it is supposed to work, and you see some of the design flaws, besides the fact that I'm clumsy. So it actually is three different extensions. So it's three different extensions. These things screw in place. And you'll notice with each extension it gets thinner. And so you should see immediately the big issue. It's really hard to control. Because it's just so flimsy. That top extension is just so flimsy that I really can't get any kind of control whatsoever going into these gutters. I gotta get real close to the side here to use it, but see, I just can't get any control. It just wobbles too much. So as a gutter cleaner, it really stunk. So what happened one day, I was moving along, and this thing fell. And I actually could grab some of the ivy. So it wasn't a complete waste, because I can. And it's not great at grabbing ivy, but at least it will grab it like that. So, not very good as a gutter cleaner, but works pretty good actually as a ivy remover. So, your task is to improve on the design of this. This is the task. This, was a concept, a prototype, and you can see how the concept's supposed to work. So, the second problem I've got is when I've got this thing retracted, these pieces are too long. So I cannot fit it in a Nissan Sentra. And that's one of our constraints, is it's got to be able to fit in a Nissan Sentra. So remember, we talked about making 6-foot pieces. So the issues are, how are you going to connect this together? What kind of material you're going to use? You see this telescoping extension here. Each piece is smaller, and so it's so wobbly that it's really ineffective. And honestly, I don't even know how you'd use this for painting.
You should mention that's the car it's got to fit into.
Oh, yeah. So, as my photographer pointed out, that black car there that you see, that's the Nissan Sentra that this has got to fit into. On there. So, you can see I got a pretty good chunk of ivy off, so it did do that, but it's just too wobbly. And this is real lightweight, but it's too thin. So you really can't control it.